delicious garlic butter steak skewers. You can make this recipe under 20 minutes and it's awesome for any day you like to have steak bites or steak pieces with the garlic butter glaze on it. This is chuck tender steak. You can use any kind of steak. It's gonna give the nice flavor. It's more tender. You will use some fresh onion, some garlic, ready-made seasoning, some basil, some parsley. It's very easy. Look at this. We'll do a rinse on it. 6 beautiful pieces of the chuck tender steak. One flap is ½ inch thick and at least 5 inch long. So here you go. We will cut it just like this. 1 inch cubes are enough for it. Two pounds of the chuck tender steak has been cubed out. 1 cup of fresh garlic cloves. Garlic is fine chopped. We will add this in a bowl. Let's take 2 of the spring onion, slice it, and then we will fine dice it. Green onion is fine diced, so let's add this right next to our fine diced garlic. We are making the perfect garlic sauce for our steak skewers. Some basil, 2 tablespoons of it. Parsley, 1 tablespoon of it. Irish butter, at least 100 grams. Just like that. Add it right here. Garlic, onion, basil, and parsley, and butter. Let's keep this on the side. Let's marinate our steak and let's cook this steak in our air fryer. Onion powder, 1 tablespoon. Woodfired garlic. You can use garlic salt. If you even don't have this, you can use garlic powder. 2 tablespoons of it. Here is the black pepper, ½ tablespoon of it. So this seasoning has already salt, ½ cup baking cup of the olive oil on top. Let's use our beautiful hands and marinate this steak. Our steak is marinated. Grab some bamboo skewers. Let's add this meat in here. Just like that. Don't leave any space in between. Just enjoy the steak by itself. So meat is kind of stacking it on top of each other. This will keep the meat moist and tender. Look at this. Easy. So easy, right? 1 down. Second down. I'm making just 3 of them. I'm leaving this in a fridge overnight. It's gonna get more flavor. Let's turn on our air fryer. I have an air fryer. It has the grill option too, air grill. It just increases the temperature of it. Turn it on, put it on grill. It says 500. We need 500 degree for it. Time, we just need 10 minutes for it. Let's turn it on. It's on the pre. All right, so air fryer is ready. Let's open this. Let me put the biggest pieces right here in the center. Shut the lid. We have 10 minutes to go. After 5 minutes, we will open the beautiful lid of our air fryer and we will flip our skewers. 5 minutes are gone. Let's open and flip our skewers. Five more minutes to go. Let's put this in microwave for 1 minute. Butter sauce is ready. This is the king of the dish. Delicious fresh ingredient in here and fresh butter. Ta-da! In 10 minutes, delicious steak skewers are ready. Once you grab it, put it right here and brush it with delicious butter sauce. Garlic butter beef skewers or steak skewers completely ready. Butter is dripping. with this delicious, easy, simple, fantastic recipe. Put as much butter as you want. Yum. If you want your steak to be extra medium rare, just cook it for 6 minutes. There you go. Homemade, delicious steak skewers in air fryer under 20 minutes. It's completely done. Let's do a taste test.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face.
Turn it from the inside as well. Easy, simple to do. Enjoy this recipe, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I will see you on the next one. Take care of yourself. In 20 minutes you can make delicious steak skewers. They are so awesome, man. They are so awesome, man. You should be making it. Seriously, the char on it. Oh my.